Hello everybody, welcome to Li's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make an inverted sugar syrup. This is mainly used for mooncake. You also can use it for other pastry and the sweetener. Those are the ingredients I'm going to use for the syrup. 500 gram of sugar, 250 gram of water, and 1 big lemon to make about 40 to 50 grams of lemon juice. Let's get started. Now I'm going to pour the sugar and the water into a pot. The pot better have a good heat retention. Now I'm going to put on the stove on high heat. We are waiting for the sugar to boiling, and we can make the lemon juice. Cut into half and squeeze. Going to sift the juice. Once the sugar start to bubble, turn the heat to lowest the heat. And I'm going to put a thermometer to keep checking the temperature. Use a brush, just gently brush the top if there are any sugar on the top. When you stir it, just very gently stir. Don't make a big movement. Once it starts to bubble, and pour the lemon juice. Keep this temperature just as bubble and turn the oven to the lowest heat, cooking for at least 30 to 40 minutes. We will come back and check. In order to make the inverted syrup, we needed the temperature reach 115 Celsius at least for 10 minutes. Now it had been cooked for half hour. The temperature just at about 100 degrees. So we need at least maybe another half hour to enter the low heat. Let's continue cooking. Once the temperature reach 115 Celsius degree, turn off the heat and let the syrup cool down. It takes totally 1 hour to cook it. The syrup turn into beautiful golden brown color. Just let it cool down. Once the syrup is cooled down, I'm going to pour into a container. It can last for a year. So if I didn't finish this year, I can use it next year to make a mooncake. Just to keep it in room temperature. Before use the syrup should be kept in the room temperature for 2 weeks. The color will become even darker. I will use the syrup to make a mooncake in 2 weeks, and the mooncake video will be followed next. Thank you for watching. See you next time.